Hello guys, Noor here.
So the Galaxy S24 Ultra could get further camera improvements and increase to the refresh rate of the display as well as a new stacked battery. So let's dive in. According to the renowned leaker iSuniverse, the Galaxy S20 Ultra is expected to feature a stunning peak brightness of 2500 nits. That's 750 nits brighter than its predecessor. But that's not all. Samsung might also increase the maximum refresh rate to 144Hz, providing an even smoother viewing experience. The S24 Ultra is rumored to keep a similarly sized screen as its predecessor, measuring 6.78 inches. However, it will come with a resolution of 3120 by 1440 pixels, offering a slight improvement of the S23 Ultra. If you're a fan of curved displays, you're not gonna be happy with this. The S24 Ultra is expected to have the lowest screen-to-body ratio in a Samsung flagship since the Galaxy S10 series in 2018, with bezels reaching to 3mm on top and bottom and 3.42mm on the sides. Samsung has been making waves with its choice of processors for the S24 Ultra. While some rumors suggest an all-Qualcomm approach, recent leaks indicate that Samsung might return to using Exynos chips in certain regions. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 will power the phones released in the US and South Korea, while the Exynos 2400 will be used in other regions, says leaker Yogesh Brar. Additionally, leaks suggest that the Galaxy S24 Ultra could deliver exceptional graphics performance thanks to a GPU inside the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip that's rumored to be up to 50% faster, blowing away the iPhone 15 Pro graphics. That's it for today, guys. If you're curious about the new upgrades of the Galaxy S24 Plus, make sure to watch this video afterwards. Please don't forget to subscribe to get all the news and rumors. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.